Hi there, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here broadcasting from home, and this is a lesson to let you know about the process, the four-phase process that we've been working on at school. And this is in regards to approaching any of the California standards that we've been talking about, as I have explained to you at school. This is going to detail for you exactly what the steps are for you to follow in class so that you are clear as to what needs to be done and what the final product should be. So without further ado, let me start by explaining. First of all, tomorrow in class you'll have a handout that looks like this. It's actually double-sided. On one side it has the California standard that we're working on, the substandards that are listed there. And on the other side, what you'll see is the four phases. These are the four steps that we need to follow to make our poster presentation. Remember also that you have options. You can either work by yourself and or with a partner. You could make a poster and or a video presentation. As far as what needs to be done specifically in class, please remember that you need to follow the following steps. Number one, once you understand the process and once you have the handouts, here's what needs to be done. You may, by the way, write on this paper. You could highlight, you can underline, you can write, you can make notations, okay? And so what you do is, once you clearly identify the substandards, the first step of the four-phase process is that you have to look for the page numbers in the book, the page numbers that correspond to the book where you can find this information. So that's step one. Step two, once you find the substandard information in the book, you have to make sure that you find any keywords, key vocabulary words like we always do, and also that you find any facts, and then you write those down on a separate piece of paper. So that's step two. Step three, you have to summarize the main idea, write a short summary for the main idea for the standard, and you also write that on a separate piece of paper. And tomorrow in class, I'm going to show you in detail what it looks like once it's written on the poster, and I'm going to also show you examples of posters from previous years, what it looks like, the final product, okay? So we're up to step three. Step four, finally, once you have this information written, you're going to have to make sure that you have it on the poster and you do a presentation. Remember, it's either the poster and or a video that you produce, and that's going to be your presentation to the class. It's going to last 3 to 7 minutes in length, depending on how much you have to say. Okay, and that's going to show your understanding and mastery of the California standards. So if you watch this video tonight, you'll be clear on what to do. Hopefully tomorrow when we are in class, you'll have the handouts and you'll follow the 4 steps. You'll have the textbooks, you'll have your partner, and you'll have me as further explanation if you need it. I hope that this is clear. You may check the video, you may go back and review it if necessary. And again, hopefully it's clear to you. Otherwise, I'll see you in class tomorrow and I'll be there for further explanations. Have a good night for now.